This is a tutorial to show you how I want you to find quotes in the Iliad. So the first quote I have here is, "You are both younger than I, so listen." So all you need to do is go to the first book in poetry translation, a link for which is in Blackboard. Go. And then type in a search for "You are both younger than I." Okay, and there we have it. "You are both younger than I, so listen, for I have fought beside warriors, better men than you." So it's in the first book. That's the first thing. Second thing, who is it who's saying this? Section begins, "So spoke the son of Peleus," that is Achilles. And then the next sentence says, "But then soft-spoken Nestor rose," etc., etc. He, referring to Nestor, he spoke, still referring to Nestor. And then the quote begins here. Okay, so you would just write down, make a note of this. Iliad 1, Nestor addresses the assembly. Okay, and that's it. All right, good luck.